If a soap bubble expands, the pressure inside the bubble decreases, increases, remains same, is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Soap bubble radius is r. Outside pressure is atmospheric pressure Pa or inside pressure is Pi. Surface tension suppose that is T. The axis pressure Pi minus P atmospheric is equal to 4T by R, or pressure inside will be P atmospheric plus 4T R, T by R. If R increases, four T by R decreases. Pa is constant, hence Pi will decrease. A is correct option. Next, a spherical ball is dropped in a long column of highly viscous liquid. The curve in the graph shown below, which of the curve represent the speed of ball v as a function of time t? A, B, C and D. A long column of highly viscous, filled with highly viscous liquid, के अंदर एक spherical ball is dropped. This is a spherical ball. Suppose इसकी radius is r. Initial velocity v is 0. Initially v is 0. अगर कोई हम एक इंटरमिटेंट पॉइंट लें ए, तो यहाँ पर इस पर 3 फोर्सेस एक्ट करेंगे. अगर इसका मास m है तो इसका वेट W is equal to mg, and that is downward. एक ड्रैगिंग फोर्स एक्ट करेगी अपवर्ड. ड्रैगिंग फोर्स will act upward. Dragging force Fd, इसकी वैल्यू होती है 6 पाई ईटा RV. Eta is coefficient of viscosity, R is radius, and V velocity of this spherical ball at this point A. This is ski direction is upward, this is downward. Or buoyant force, FB, weight of liquid, viscous liquid displaced by ball, and that is volume of ball into density of liquid into acceleration due to gravity g. Volume is mass upon density of ball into, suppose density of liquid is denoted as rho L into G. M upon density of ball is rho S into rho L into G. Net downward force F will be W minus Fd minus Fd, mg minus 6 pi eta Rv minus m rho Lg by rho S, or mg minus m rho Lg by rho S minus 6 pi eta R. दिस पार्ट इज कांस्टेंट, अगर इसको हम k से डिनोट करें तो k माइनस 6 पाई ईटा आर. तो एक्सेलरेशन of ball will be a is equal to f upon m, or k minus 6 pi eta r v upon m. Initially v is 0, so a will be k by m, and this is maximum. A, hence the acceleration है v will increase. At some particular point k minus 6 pi eta r v becomes 0, and at this position v is terminal velocity. and this terminal velocity remains constant. अगर ग्राफ को हम देखें तो दिस B satisfies the conditions, hence B is the correct option. This B is correct option.